Downtown Port Huron was abuzz with the sights and sounds of the Mainstreet Memories Car Show, where over hundreds of spectacular cars stole the spotlight.
You're downtown at Atchison Ventures with the 8th annual Mainstreet Memories Car Show. We're bringing in cars left and right. We're anticipating 1,000 cars today. We're a non-judge show. As our tagline reads over there on our tent, it's about the community. It's not about competition. We just want cars to come down, relax, enjoy the view, enjoy each other's company, and not have to worry about anything.
It's a good show. It's a huge show. We're just trying to help promote the area and try to keep the car culture alive in Port Huron. So this car is a 2017 Mustang. It's strictly a drag race car. It has a twin turbo Hemi engine in it.
All the money we raise goes to the Council on Aging serving in St. Clair County. In the past 7 years, we've raised $140,000 for them. No, we're doing a special display this year for the Mustang Memories. It's their 60th anniversary. We have about 49 out of 60 years on display here. There's some very nice cars. Getting to be a good show. We have over 60 sponsor and vendor displays. We have 13 food trucks down here. Lions Club's doing a pancake breakfast. So a lot of charity going on down here, and we'd like to be a part of that.
What a thrilling time here at the Mainstreet Car Show. I'm Evan Sedoner from Thumb Coast TV.